There are many girls who love to do makeup, but they do not understand how to clean up the makeup process, as to what kind of creams to use and how to clean your tools or your brushes and all that. So today I will tell you about all these important details. Though it may seem like the most annoyingly daunting part of your beauty routine, it really only takes a few minutes to clear the dirt and grime from our makeup brushes. So whether you're looking for a refresher or are learning the ropes for the first time, just listen to these tips very carefully. So first of all, I would like to tell you that some people have acne, pimples, blotches, and dark spots on their skin. Such kind of people use makeup brushes, and sometimes we make a mistake of using their brushes, and that is not a very good thing because that will give us skin problems and pimples. So it is important that we use our own brushes. We do not use brush that is used by other people with skin infections. Also, you can get a skin infection if you use brushes which are very old. For example, if you are using a brush for your makeup all the time and you do not wash these brushes regularly, then it can create a huge skin problem for you. So it is important that you wash your brush at regular intervals. Another important thing is rinse your brushes in lukewarm water to get any remaining makeup product off. Using a small amount of gentle soap, shampoo, or a brush cleaner, swirl your brush in circular motion in your palm with that shampoo and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Do clean your brushes once every 1 to 3 weeks, depending on how often you use them and then how much product you use. How often you clean will vary. The standard wash frequency is about once every 2 weeks. Don't go months without cleaning your brush. It is a big mistake. Because the residue buildup of dirt, dust, and bacteria can be really harmful on your skin, causing irritation, dryness, and breakouts. Dirty makeup brushes can wreak havoc on the skin. In addition to collecting product residue, dirt, oil, makeup brushes are a breeding ground for bacteria. This could compromise your complexion in the form of acne breakouts and rashes, as well as your health can get affected. Dirty makeup brushes can cause an infection such as a fungal infection or a staph infection, the latter of which can be very serious. To protect your skin and kill all harmful bacteria that lingers in your makeup brushes, it is a very good idea to wash your brushes every 7 days to 10 days. Also very important is that after you wash your brushes properly, lay your brushes flat, dry on a towel with the tips hanging off the edge of the counter. Do not dry your brushes upright in a container, as this will cause the water to run down the brushes, loosening the glue that connects the brush head with the handle. At a time when skin infections are on the rise, never share your makeup brushes with anyone else and wash them often. If you suspect that your makeup is causing acne breakouts or other kind of skin irritation, make an appointment to see a board-certified dermatologist. Now next I'm going to tell you how to clean a makeup sponge. Clean the reusable sponge with liquid soap. Squeeze a dime-sized drop of mild liquid soap like baby shampoo or dish soap onto a reusable sponge. Massage the soap into the sponge and then with your fingers, squeeze the sponge. Use your fingers to squeeze the sponge properly. When the sponge has absorbed all of the soap, rinse it under warm water and squeeze out the excess water. Now I will tell you how to clean your metal tools. Metal tools like tweezers, eyelash curlers, eyebrow trimmers, cuticle nippers, and nail nippers. Wash them down with water and antibacterial soap. Pat dry with a clean towel. Also, thoroughly wipe down the tool with alcohol-soaked cotton ball. Allow it to dry for a few moments. If the tool comes in contact with your face, then rinse it with water. No need to rinse your nail tools. Pat dry with a clean towel. Now that you have washed all your brushes, metal tools and sponges, it is time to disinfect them. Mix a solution of 2 parts water and 1 part vinegar in a shallow bowl. Swoosh the brush around in the bowl for a minute or 2, again trying not to submerge it fully. Rinse with fresh water. And then, also, I will tell you today, it is important to rub alcohol and a spray bottle like powders and palettes. So, fill your spray bottle with rubbing alcohol, spritz the powder directly and let it air dry. Dip a cotton round in a bit of rubbing alcohol and give the foundation bottle's nozzle and cap a solid cleaning. Also, pencils and sharpeners should be cleaned regularly. Your sharpener can sit in a small bowl filled with rubbing alcohol for about 5 minutes before you wipe it clean with a clean cloth. Pencils, however, should be sprayed and wiped with a cotton round. We already know the importance of cleaning our makeup brushes on a regular basis, but have you ever thought to sanitize your actual makeup? Treat your skin to a fresh, dirt-free application by giving your products a good scrub down. All you need is some rubbing alcohol and a spray bottle, which is very necessary. So do not forget this very important point. All these points are very important if you want to keep your makeup brushes, your makeup tools, sponges and all these products in good shape and condition. Also, by using these products which are cleaned, your skin won't have any kind of an infection and you will be infection free. Also, brushes with wood bases need to dry at an angle so as not to soak and deform the wood brush handle. Remember all these tips, friends, and take care of your makeup tools and happy doing your makeup.